Hello friends, today's video is about frying banana, which is banana chips. This is an Onam special video. How we can easily prepare fried bananas at home is the point of this video. If you like the video, please remember to like, comment, and share. Welcome to all the friends to a new video of Chef Joji. To prepare fried bananas, I have taken 5 raw bananas here. Now I'm removing the skin. Now all 5 bananas are peeled. Now I'm slicing the bananas. It should be sliced very thin. Special care should be taken to cut all the pieces of the same size. All the bananas have been sliced. If you don't know how to slice it like this, don't worry. If you have this slicer, you can slice the banana very easily. This blade is used for this. You can slice the bananas like this. Also, be very careful when slicing the end of this banana, as there's a possibility of cutting your finger. So you have to be very careful while slicing it. Now we have sliced all 5 bananas. Now take a small bowl. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder to it. Also add half a teaspoon of salt to it. Now add a 1/4 cup of water and mix it. Now set this aside. Take a deep frying pan to fry the bananas. When the pan is hot, add coconut oil to it. The oil is enough to fry the bananas. When the oil is hot, add the bananas to it. Mix it so that they don't stick together. It is fried on a medium flame. Now the bananas are half fried. At this time, sprinkle a teaspoon of the turmeric water we have mixed. Immediately, you need to mix it. Now the banana chips have a good color and enough salt. Now the chips are ready. Now transfer it to a strainer. So we can easily make fried bananas at home. I hope you all liked this video. If you liked it, remember to like, comment, and share. If you are watching Chef Joji's YouTube channel for the first time, remember to subscribe to the channel and follow the page. Chef Joji's YouTube channel and Facebook page have a lot of old videos, so try to watch them. So I will be back soon with a new video. Until then, bye-bye!